Did you know that baking soda, yes, that ordinary kitchen ingredient, holds some pretty extraordinary health benefits? It's true. This humble ingredient isn't just for baking cookies or freshening up your fridge. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural powerhouse that can do wonders for your health. First things first, it's cost-effective and natural, offering a safer alternative to pharmaceuticals. From countering the effects of harmful toxins and chemicals to fighting cancer, baking soda has been turning heads in the health community. Found naturally in soil, oceans, our bodies, and even in some foods, baking soda acts as a neutralizer. It's like a superhero against high toxicity levels, making it a go-to remedy for many. Believe it or not, some folks use it to counteract the toxic effects of chemotherapy and radiation, offering protection to the kidneys. But that's not all. Recent studies suggest that baking soda might hold the key in treating serious childhood asthma that doesn't respond to usual treatments. Intriguingly, when administered intravenously, it seems to positively impact pH and PCO2 levels. And here's the big one: cancer. Researchers at the University of Arizona are onto something big. Their studies with lab mice showed that pre-treating cancerous areas with baking soda actually increased the pH levels and hindered cancer spread. Not to mention, it even boosted the effectiveness of other anti-cancer medications. It's exciting stuff, right? So keep an eye out for more insights on how this simple kitchen ingredient might just be a game changer in the world of health.